Have you heard about the new Bumble feature allowing you to access and search the entire country? I'm going to talk about that coming up next. What's good, everyone? Mario here. In this video, I want to share with you the new Bumble feature that was released in April of 2020, allowing users to search the entire country. I'm going to share with you how you can do that and why that might be a good thing for you in your situation. But first, let me remind you that if you're not fully satisfied with your current love life experiences, I invite you to join my free Love Life Academy for video lessons, for Facebook group. We have weekly group calls that you're invited to with mailbag Q&A. And we have all sorts of free resources, great stuff going on. So if you're interested in leveling up your love life, click the link in the description. All right. So now let's get into this new Bumble feature. How do you get into it? How do you access the whole country? Well, what you need to do is just go into your settings and under your search radius, usually it's 1 to 99 miles or 100 miles. Well, if you just keep on pushing it over, it will now access you the whole country. This is probably something that is a response to the COVID quarantine situation. Now, that makes me think that it's temporary and not permanent, because I honestly can't even see this as being a great sort of feature on a permanent basis, because maybe if you could change locations on purpose, but the whole country is just like, it's just kind of like shooting your shot in a much bigger net. But whatever works for the situation right now, which let me kind of get into. So right now, we have to understand that being in a quarantine, a lot of us are missing out on the social sort of connections and interactions that we're accustomed to. Even those of us who aren't the extroverts, even the introverts are still needing their fill because they're limited on the amount of social interaction they can get, even online. Consider, the online experience isn't the best for everyone. Even in the online dating experiences, there are winners and losers. There are people who are ignored, just like the regular dating experiences, right? So you need to understand that. So for a lot of us out there, if you're not having the greatest experience or opportunities for connection with your current settings, well, shoot, you're bored, you're in quarantine. Why not open up that sucker to the whole country and shoot your shot and see what's out there? Now, a lot of you out there might also not be looking for someone on a romantic level. You just want somebody to talk to. Well, this feature also works on the best friends setting. So whether you're just trying to find a romantic connection or if you're trying to find somebody to just talk to, open up to, and feel like you're interacting with humans, Bumble is trying to do something to allow you to connect with others, which I think is a great thing, because while Bumble is an app for connecting people romantically, right now it sees that, hey, why not at least help you connect socially too, because we can do that. You're stuck, why not use our app? Please use it more, and hopefully you use it to find romantic connections. But right now, if you just want to find somebody to talk to, you can use it for that too, and I think that's great right now. So again, I don't think this is going to be a permanent feature, but during this quarantine, it might be fun. It might be interesting for you to connect with somebody all over, talk to them, ask them how things are going, where they're at. You never know what sort of connections you can make. And for a lot of us, it's just important for us to remain human, to remain connected to others. And if we don't have enough opportunities and even enough online, this helps everybody out just a little bit, feel a little bit more human. So that's what I think. Definitely let me know your thoughts and your comments, your experiences using it. And if you have anything else to say, throw those in the comments as well. All right. As always, if you want better results, I encourage you to become better. All right. You all take care until the next video. Thanks for watching. If you appreciated the content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you're ready to level up your love life, take 30 seconds to visit my website right now. Join my free academy. I'll send you exclusive content and invitations to participate in my online group conference calls. And if you're ready for serious change, sign up for a free barrier breakthrough phone call with me.